or recipe. Ingredients of pasta salad: potato, peas and carrots, pickle, cucumber, pasta, yogurt, mayonnaise, salt.
Firstly, boil the macaroni in boiling water for about 10 to 12 minutes. Hold together on one side to sway and
Take garlic pickles and chop them. Drain and rinse the water thoroughly with boiled garlic. It is necessary to prepare salad or salad and yogurt, mayonnaise, salt in a bowl.
Transfer the berries, macaroni, cucumber, pickles, and cabbage garnish to a salad bowl.